Welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how to draw Ash in easy to follow step-by-step instructions. Hope you can join me. Are you ready? Let's draw Ash. She is a tricky character, so I'm going to start with construction lines and I'm mapping in her head shape. And I am now putting some more construction lines. So her arms come out roughly there. Her body, her head is 1.5 times her body length, so that's her sort of her body. And there she's got 1 foot there, another foot there, and then this is like her hair, or the spike, because she's a hedgehog, so they're the spikes on her. Now the guitar comes across, takes up most of this. Now you notice that I'm sketching it up with a pencil first. I love to map in the main areas. And that's where her hand is going to be. That's the guitar coming through here, like so. Now we have the construction lines. Let's start with her nose. Now, she's looking up and this way. She is a very important character to the movie, trying to get Clay Calloway to come and perform with them. So cool, they're singing. Okay, so there's her nose. Now her mouth, it sits directly underneath that, and it's a line like this. And it's pretty tricky. It comes back up like that. Then she has her lip and her top lip, thinner line underneath there like that. Now she has an eyeball looking shape like this. I'm using a 0.3 and a very thin eye like that. Looking up, and the same on this side. Slightly different shape. In the similar sort of spot, so you can see her eyes are looking up there. Now at the moment you might be going, oh, it's not looking that great. But remember, just like a Lego set, the more pieces you put on, the better it looks towards the end. This is exactly like this drawing. Now let's draw the curve of her cheek on that side. Then here's her neckline that comes around. Now she's got this cool, I'm just going to put her ear here. It's directly sort of underneath her eye here, and it's a curved line like so, with another bumpy line and a curved line like this. And then she's got these spikes because she is a hedgehog. So bring a spike down there, down here, and that there in front of that side. And she's got some more spikes coming down this side one. Put a few more longer ones in there, like so. Now her hair is fairly spiky, so I'm just going to bring some little spiky lines. As we come back further, notice how they start to turn downwards. So it's like almost like a zigzag, continuous zigzag. And I'm keeping them pointy, not rounded. And I'm doing littler ones through here, all the way around. Now you notice that I've followed that. Now this is where we can start to flick out some extra long spikes. You could use a thicker one if you wanted to. Some of these spike out a little bit further. We can put all those details on at the end. Now what we're going to do is bring her shoulder down like this. And her arm, so from here it comes out to about there. Let's draw these little bumps on her outfit that look pretty cool. Now her hand comes out. This is her first finger. Second one. Third one comes around, and she's got her thumb up in the air like that. So there is her hand. Now I'm going to draw the guitar because I need to work out where that is. So where her hand is, curve it around, bring it in, bring it out. This comes in and like that. Now I'm just going to draw this front part. It's like a rectangle, and then it kicks out, up, and then curves around before it comes into that sort of shape. It comes in, bring this one up through there to meet that. And we have all these little parts on there. I'm no guitar player, but they're the tuning knobs, I guess. There's probably another name for them. And then I'm going to put some of these lines coming down through here. Give it some detail. Now that we've got that, we can sort of work out where her hand is. So her thumb, and then she's got 1, 2, 3 fingers, and then this is the end of her dress. Comes in, you see a little bit of this, curves around, curves back around and in like that. And that's her arm. Bring her arm in and up to meet her neck, and she's got all these little cool little sequins and patterns, and her dress looks like it's got like made out of what do you call it? It looks like it's made from scales. Right, bring a line down there for her outfit. Down here, another line across for the bottom of her skirt. Now if you wanted to, you can draw all the little scales on. They're almost like rounded V's or little U's, like this. And you just continue that down. I'm going to leave the bottom of her dress. She has some more spikes coming out from here. And this way as well. Some more spikes. Notice I'm flicking them out. Makes a huge difference. Put all the spikes in now. She even has spikes coming in through, so really long ones, some shorter ones, some just in here. Okay, her leg. Directly underneath her guitar part is her leg. There's 1. 2 legs. If you wanted to, you can put the car's shadow on, which I will.